Hi, to change display size on your POCO X7, first thing first, let's unlock the phone. And now we need to open its settings. So once settings are open, just scroll down and find additional settings. And after that, you should see accessibility selected. And here you need to choose display size. For that, switch to vision right here on the top panel, and now you can see display size feature. So simply select it, and firstly you can see the slider and size. For example, mine is right in the middle right now, so I got an S size. We can drag this dot right and just increase size to L, and we can also drag the dot left and choose excess. So here you can see how it will look as a text and also as icons. Let's choose the biggest size possible and tap the check mark to confirm. As you can see, text, images and icons will be increased. Some icons might change their places. So just tap OK. And now let's check this. I'm gonna go back to my home screen, and yep, icons just got bigger. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.